everyone, this is Sakshi and I welcome you all to my new tech platform, Way to Learn. So today I'm going to solve some of the problems from mathematical physics. So today's topic from mathematical physics is complex analysis. So before we start, let us see the previous papers and find out how many questions do we get from 3.5 and for 5 marks. So I have taken last 5 years paper. So if you see that the total number of questions from 3.5 marks is approximately 5 and for 5 marks is 4. So one can gain 37.5 marks easily from mathematical physics. So I hope this analysis is easy for you and it gives you confidence that you can do this. So let us start our topic, which is complex analysis. So first, in this complex analysis, we have to write our complex number as z is equal to x plus iy. So here x is the real number and y is the imaginary number. And the first question of complex analysis mostly would be like if this function is analytic or not. So you'll have a function and they'll ask if it is analytic or not. So how do you find the function is analytic or not? So, if a function is analytic, it should satisfy Cauchy Riemann equations. So, these two are the Cauchy Riemann equation. So, if a function is analytic, it will satisfy the CR equations. If not, it will not satisfy the CR equation. So, here U is the real part and V is the imaginary part. Okay, so and the second equation is the Cauchy Riemann equation in polar form. First, I have taken this z as x plus iy, but in polar form, my z will be r e bar I theta. So, I get my equation to be Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form to be this. So, let us see the next formula, which is Laplace equation. So, one can ask the question like, uh, find the Laplace of this function or anything like that. So, the Laplace equation is given as this. And if the Laplace equation is equal to 0, then that function is said to be harmonic function. And one more important thing to note is we have z is equal to x plus iy. So z star will be x minus iy. So if dou f by dou z star is equal to 0, so if you have a function and if dou f by dou z star is 0, then we can say that the function is analytic. So it is an easy trick to find out if it is analytic or not. Okay, let us see an example. Here we have given u to be the real part of the analytic function and we have been asked to find the imaginary part. So u is the real part, then v will be imaginary part, and it has said that it is an analytic function. So we know that u is given, which is x plus half x square minus y square, and here I know that this is analytic function, then it is satisfying the CR equations. So I am considering the first equation, which is dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, and I find dou u by dou x, which is 1 plus x. And when I integrate it, which is equal to dou v by dou y, when I integrate it with respect to y, I get my v to be y plus xy plus c. So c is the integration constant. Okay, so next, I know the second equation, which is minus dou u by dou y is equal to dou v by dou x. So on differentiating u with respect to y and using the minus sign, I get y. So I know that dou v by dou x is equal to y, and now when I integrate with respect to x, I get my v to be xy plus c. Here c is again the integration constant. So on solving this 2, I get first v to be y plus xy and the second v to be xy. So you have two common terms, which is xy. So if you have two common terms, then you're going to take only one single term. So my imaginary part of the function will be finally as y plus xy. I'm not including the other xy because they both are common. So I'm going to consider only one xy. So I hope you understand this. So let us see our homework problem. which is I have given you the z and I have given you the function, okay, and I have asked what is a, and I also told that this function is analytic. So you have to just substitute in your Cauchy Riemann equation and find what is a. First, you have to consider what is u and what is v. Remember, u is the real part and v is the imaginary part, and you have to find a. Okay, so thank you. Like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel, and also do not forget to hit the bell. So only when you hit the bell, you're going to get the notifications of my videos. So I hope you like this video, so share it with your friends. So see you tomorrow. Ta-da!